Hi everyone, welcome to Module 3 for CFS 205 here at MCC. So these intro videos will walk you through the module, and I'm going to give you a few reminders. So first reminder this week is I'm going back to the syllabus here, and I wanted to remind you there's no late work accepted in this class unless permission by the instructor is granted. I'm thinking like life emergencies or big events. Please contact me prior to or when you know. And even after that, if late work is accepted by me, there'll be a late deduction. But you cannot just turn in late work. It is not accepted in this course. And remember that is in our syllabus. So this week, I want to just look at the due dates. The checklist will go through those due dates. So make sure you're using that checklist because still some late assignments are coming in. And I hope that you're looking at these due dates and planning your week accordingly. So this week, we're looking at infancy through childhood. Real quick before we go into this module, I want to make sure you guys have gone up here and taken a look at looking ahead to the final project. That's in that start here week 1. I want you to get in there and read through it because our final project is something that you should be working on throughout. And your proposal is going to be due next module, so in 2 weeks. So get in here and read about your final project and what that's going to look like. So this week, let's go back down here to Module 3. You are going to be looking at infancy through childhood. And so you have a lot of reading to do, and there's 3 lectures in this module. So there's infancy, early childhood, and middle childhood. And so those are those lectures that also have the transcript, and then there's the reading with the videos. So this week is structured much like every other week. The first Wednesday will be your discussion board. In this discussion board, there's 4 questions that need to be addressed. So on that 4th question, you're coming up with problems that you know about in respect to an age group and risks with health risks in school-age children. So make sure that you're answering all the questions thoroughly, and that is due the first Wednesday of the module, and then 2 responses are due by Sunday, the first Sunday of the module. So make sure that you are posting on time. We are still having a lot of students that are not posting by that first Wednesday. And then we have our reading graphic organizer, which is due that Sunday. And remember, you click on it, make a copy, and complete it thoroughly. So I noticed that there were some people that were kind of putting really brief definitions. Make sure that it's enough that you're going to remember. And then also make sure that you're answering all of the reflection questions here at the bottom. I had a lot of blank questions last week or last module. And then we have one extra thing this week, and I wanted to point out that your program of study midterm assignment, it's not nearly as scary as it sounds. This is due March 10th, and this is just meet with your advisor, submit your program of study, and that's 5 points. So here's information about how to meet with your advisor, and if you have any questions, please email me. And then we have our assignment for the week, and that's due the second Sunday, which is March 10th as well. And you will be creating a newsletter. So however you like, there were so many digital options when you made your poster about theorists. So I'm excited to see what you choose. You can do a simple Word document, a Google document, or do your newsletter in any other format, graphic format that you would like. Choose 2 of the following here. So look, you have 7 options to choose from. So choose 2 of those, and also make sure to have 2 outside resources, and you need to cite those resources just as easy as putting in the website. So make sure that you choose 2 of the following and at least 1 outside resource. 2 would be awesome. So get in there, and look at the module. There's a lot of content to go through this week, so make sure you're giving yourself plenty of time, and also use the checklist and look ahead to your final. If you have any questions, you can always email me. We can set up a phone call.